How's it going?
It's going great.
Sold, it still looks funny.
That's awesome, eh?
Going good? Look at that. Oh, look at this. Poor Paula with her broken arm. It's true friendship. That'd be
Right?
I love that.
This is the spirit of
It
Christmas
is
right
Christmas
here.
happening right before my eyes.
Right here.
Yes, with my
That's
big
awesome.
swollen fingers.
Aw. And there's Gracie. Let's see what you got so far, Gracie. Hey, looks good. Looks awesome, girl. Okay. So here we are at the glue station. Lady, there's another glue gun there that I did plug in. Do you have another stick? Yes, inside that box there. Yeah. So look what's happening here. Getting the glue gun, putting some greenery on there, tying little bows. Look what she's doing here. And now she's going to find her little decoration. Sorry, I'm just getting hands, but that's okay. We're gonna revisit this after. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This lady's working so hard. Lots of concentration going on here. It's great, girls. You're doing a super good job. Super job. So we've started the second ornament. There we go. Second ornament. Oh, look at that. Nice. So pretty. Joy, what have you got going on here?
So far,
Pretty.
sparkles.
Oh, I like the mix. Yeah. That's so nice, Holly. Yay.
I'm so happy decorated.
Yeah.
Looking for this.
Things going at this end of the table, ladies.
Very good.
We're just wondering with those stickers if we put a little bit of that Mod Podge on them, if it might hold them a little better. I'm coming to check on you, ladies.
Okay.
Yay.
Okay, teacher.
Yes. Perfect. Look at her working that.
I'm not sure if I'm going to
I
get it.
know, it's frustrating. You just want to jump in there and do it, right?
Yeah.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Well done, ladies. So everyone's holding their Christmas candle craft that we did tonight. We've had a really fun time. And our youngest attendee is in the back here. We've got a 4-week-old little guy here. Look at. This is Judah. So it's kind of like having baby Jesus at the Christmas craft. So thank you, ladies. You're a great group, and I think we've had some fun, and hopefully I've been able to teach you something about decorating. That's what I'm supposed to do. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.